Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app. And now, to change the name, make sure log into your Capcut account. Now, if you don't know how to log into your Capcut account, you can watch our previous video on how to log into your Capcut account. To go to your account, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, you can see Edit Profile button, click on it. Now from here, click here on Nickname to change your name. Once you select your name, click on Done. And just like that, we have changed our name on Capcut account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.